What do you have? Good job. Hello everyone, welcome to Umusambi Trivia Competition. Today we're going to dive into the important topic of endangered species. All species are important and we don't want to lose any of them. Species can become endangered for various reasons. Join us as we learn about those reasons and what we can do to protect them. We're back. Let's see how our teams do in the trivia today. Today we have International School of Kigali, Destiny International School, and Peha International School. Let's dive into the rules of this exciting competition. We have 6 themes: biodiversity, ecosystems, water, endangered species, bats, and birds. Each theme offers questions worth 100, 200, or 300 points. Here's how it works. First, we shuffle cards with the themes on them. A player calls stop, and the theme is revealed. Then the player chooses the point value they'd like to play for. Each point value has a limited number of questions, so strategy matters. If the team answers the question correctly, they earn the points. If not, they don't earn anything for that round. We keep going until all the questions run out. Finally, we tally the scores, and the school with the highest point wins and earns a spot in the next round. Let's begin.
Oh yeah.
What do you have?
Ecosystem.
How many points would you like?
200.
What is the role of producers in an ecosystem? A, to decompose organic matter. B, to regulate weather. C, to trap energy from sunlight, produce fruit.
Okay,
Your timer
C.
starts now. You have your
C.
answer. Awesome. Let's have it. Correct. Here you go. You can clap for each other.
Let me see that.
Stop.
What do you have?
Birds.
Birds. How many points would you like?
300.
How does climate change affect bird populations in Rwanda? A, it harms habitats. B, it causes populations to increase. C, it improves food availability. Your timer starts now.
This A.
We have an
No.
So the person that picks the card is the one that has to answer. So take your time.
We have an
Pas
answer.
tant d'abord aussi. Il dit ça au premier. C'est pas envie.
And time.
Okay.
What's your answer?
A.
A, let's have it.
Stop.
Correct. Here you go. What do you have? Water. How many points would you like?
100.
100 points on water. Let's have it. Rwanda has one Ramsar wetland, which means that this wetland is important to the whole world. True or false?
We have the answer.
Let's have it.
It's true.
It's true. Let's have it. Correct. Here you go.
This is a while.
What do you have?
Birds.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points for birds. Let's have it.
Okay, let's see.
And the question is, how do wetlands in Rwanda benefit bird populations? A, it provides food resources. B, it creates increased habitat for predators. C, it creates more flooding, which brings in nutrients. Your timer starts right now.
A. Yeah, A.
The answer is A?
A.
Let's have it. Correct. Here you go. Let me know when to stop.
Stop.
Here you go. What do you have?
Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. How many points would you like?
200. 200.
What type of vegetation is found in the Akagera National Park? A, grasslands and savanna. B, deserts. C, rainforest. Your timer starts now.
It's B. A.
You have your answer?
Yes.
Let's have it.
We're going to lose.
We're going to lose. Yeah.
That's correct. Here you go.
Stop.
Stop.
She has to say it. What do you have?
Ecosystems.
Ecosystems. How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on ecosystems. Let's have it. What is it called when species composition changes in an ecosystem over time. Species composition is the kinds of plants and animals found together in a particular place. A. Ecological succession. B. Habitat protection. C. Photosynthesis. Your timer starts right now.
It's B.
B. No, it's green wine. Okay.
We got the answer.
All right, let's have it.
B.
B. The correct answer is actually A. So this can be triggered by wildfires, floods, and volcano eruptions, which create open spaces for new growth. Human activities such as logging, farming, and land development can also create succession. What do you have?
Endangered species.
Endangered species. How many points would you like?
200.
What is it called when a species no longer exists anywhere on Earth? A. Extinction. B. Population decline. C. Common.
A.
Let's have it. Correct. Here you go. Yeah, you can clap.
Oh wow, thank you.
All right.
Stop.
What do you have?
Ecosystem.
Ecosystems. How many points would you like?
300.
There's only 100 and 200 to choose from.
200.
200 points. The question says, what do we call the interaction between organisms where one organism benefits at the expense of another? A. Parasitism. B. Sharing. C. Vulnerability. Timer starts right now.
A.
A. Let's have it. That is correct. Here you go, Benson. So, what exactly is an endangered species? These are animals that have small populations in very few areas. Because of this, they're at risk of extinction. If no action is taken, these animals could disappear from the earth completely. When we protect endangered species, we also help protect lots of plants and animal species too. This helps biodiversity keep alive, and it's essential for healthy ecosystems. In the same way, healthier ecosystems make it easier for endangered species to survive. So, we're going to play a fun game. It's limbo. Yeah, you guys know what limbo is? So, could you come demonstrate? Yeah. Let's have you pass. All right, let's go down one more.
Thomas. Thomas is flexible.
There you go. So that's an example, okay? But how it's going to work is you're going to pick a paper here, okay? This paper has prompts, all right? For example, this says adopt an endangered animal, okay? That's a good thing. And that makes us raise the line, all right? So basically, you guys are endangered species, and the action that you're choosing determines whether you survive or not, okay? If you're not able to pass through, you're extinct. All right? And if you do more actions to protect the environment, it will be easier for them to survive. Got it? Yes. Pick something. What do you have? Huh?
What's the water?
Wastewater? Wastewater?
Yeah.
Ooh. Uh-oh, you're extinct. What do you have?
Cut down on natural tree.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Wait, we get back again.
Oh, okay, you did it. All right, build a bat or owl house. Okay, here you go. All right, guys, that was fun. Okay. But what did we learn from this? Anyone? Yes.
To not litter.
All right. What else? Yes. To not waste water. Yes.
Yeah, I got books to help the other animals and keep the world clean.
All right. So good job, everyone. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Y'all are flexible, right? All right. What do you have?
Bats.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points for bats. Let's have it. And the question is, what is the primary method of communication among fruit bats? A. Vocalizations. B. Wing displays. C. Scent marking. Your timer starts right now.
B. Wing display.
Why? B.
We got the answer. We got the
You have the answer? Okay.
B.
B, let's have it. It's actually A. So bat vocalizations happen at a very high frequency, and bats can produce a wide range of sounds for communicating.
It's called echolocation.
It's fine.
Stop.
Well, let's see. Bats.
Bats, how many points would you like?
300.
300 points on bats, let's have it.
Question.
How do bats contribute to the ecosystem as pollinators? A. By spreading fruits between flowers. B. By spreading petals between flowers. C. By transferring pollen between flowers. Timer starts now.
C.
Only one person has to answer, and it's the person that draws. C. Your answer is C. Let's have it. That's correct. Here you go.
Stop.
What do you have? Biodiversity, how many points would you like?
300.
300 points on biodiversity. What is the name for a species that plays a critical role in its ecosystem, influencing many other species? A. Common species. B. Keystone species. C. Vulnerable species. Your timer starts now. Guys, you guys actually being
We found the answer. We found the answer.
Yes, please, let's have it.
C.
C.
And it's wrong.
It's actually B, but that's okay. It's okay, you guys, you'll get it next time. So, keystone species have a big impact on their environment, even though they may not be a lot of them. An example would be bees, where one bee can pollinate hundreds of flowers.
Stop.
What do you have?
Bats.
Bats, how many points would you like?
200.
200 points on bats, let's have it. What is the primary function of a bat's wings? A, to store food. B, to fly. C, to generate energy. Your timer starts right now.
To fly. Okay, B. Teacher, we have the answer.
All right, let's have it.
B.
B. That's correct. Here you go.
Yay.
All right, let's listen.
I'm supposed to.
What do you have?
Birds.
Birds. How many points would you like?
Yeah, 1.
You said
300.
300. 300 points on birds. How do nocturnal birds in Rwanda adapt to low light conditions? A. Bright feathers to be more visible. B. Hunting only during the day. C. Their eyesight, wings, and feather are adapted to hunt at night. Timer starts now.
Because nocturnal is night. Yeah, so they would not. And then bright feathers would just make us.
You have your answer?
C.
Let's have it.
Okay, we can start.
That's correct. Here you go.
Because they.
All right. What do you have?
Bats.
Bats. How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on bats. Let's have it. So you only have 100 or 200 points to choose from.
200.
200 points. Let's have it. What is echolocation? A method used by bats to A. Navigate. B. Digest. C. Reproduce. The timer starts now.
We got our answer.
All right, what's your answer?
A.
Let's have it. That's correct. Here you go. All right.
Still.
What do you have?
300.
300 points. 300 points in biodiversity. Let's have the question. And the question is, What is an endemic species? A species that A. is found only in one area, B. migrates seasonally, C. is found worldwide. Your timer starts now.
Fine, you listen. Last time we did not listen to Island and say A.
We have the answer.
Let's have it.
A.
Let's have the answer. That's correct. Here you go. What are some examples of endangered species that you know? In Rwanda, we have mountain gorillas, gray crowned cranes, black rhinoceros. We are very lucky to have successful conservation projects that keep these animals thriving here. What do you have?
Bats.
How many points would you like?
200.
200?
Yes.
All right. And the question is, which body parts allow bats to fly effectively? A. Their long fingers and flexible wings. B. Their tails. C. Their claws. Timer starts now.
We got answer.
All right. What's your answer?
A.
Let's have it. That's correct. Here you go. Silence, ISK. Water, how many points would you like?
203. Great. There's no more 200.
How many points would you like?
200.
200 points. Let's have it. As water gets deeper, it gets colder because there's less sunlight. What is the layer below the surface called? A. Evaporation. B. A thermocline. C. Photosynthesis. Your timer starts now.
B.
You have to say it.
B.
All right. That's correct. Here you go. What do you have?
Birds.
How many points would you like?
300.
300 points on birds. Let's have it.
300. There's a gone.
Oh, it's gone.
200.
All right then. What are two ways that birds use their feathers? A. To create sound for communication and glide. B. To attract predators and gather material for nests. C. To fly and keep warm. Your timer starts right now.
C.
C. Let's have the answer. That's correct. Here you go. What do you have?
Birds.
How many points would you like? There's 100 and 200 to choose from.
200.
200 points. Let's have it. What are two services or ways that birds contribute to ecosystems? A. Pollination and pest control. B. Pest control and damming water. C. Attracting predators and pollination. Timer starts now.
B. C. What we answer? This B. This B. I say B. Mom will say. We have an answer.
No.
Wait, give us some.
You have a few more seconds? Did you take it off? So we stopped the timer because we thought you were done. You now have to answer.
It
Yes.
is B.
B. Let's have it. It's actually A. So, birds are also important members of the food cycle. As a food source for predators, in many ecosystems, there are no other animals which could do the jobs that birds do. What do you have?
And
Endangered species?
200.
200 points on endangered species. Let's have it. And the question is, when things are made in factories, they often create a byproduct which is bad for wildlife and endangered species. What is this called? A. Recyclable materials. B. Organic fertilizer. C. Pollution.
We got the answer.
Let's have it.
C.
Let's have the answer. That's correct. Here you go.
Stop.
What do you have?
Birds.
Birds. How many points would you like?
200.
200 points. Let's see.
This the last bird. 300.
What do birds mostly use to build their nests? A. Plastic and grasses. B. Fabric and grasses. C. Sticks and grasses. Timer starts now.
C.
To have the answer is C. Correct. Here you go. All right.
No, wait. Stop.
Okay. What do you have? Ecosystems?
Ecosystem,
All right, how
yeah.
many points would you like?
300.
300 points. And the question is, what type of ecosystem is known for having slow-moving water and dense plant vegetation? A. Coral reefs. B. Open ocean. C. Wetland.
See, I don't know, ma'am. This I think Are you
I
sure?
think it is
How many seconds left?
What time is it, guys? Now it's over.
And time. Let's have the answer.
A.
A. Let's have it.
We lost.
It's actually C. Wetlands are unique ecosystems defined by the presence of water, either permanently or seasonally. What do you have?
Water.
How many points would you like?
200.
200 points on water. Let's have it. Which type of river has high salt levels and is often found by the sea? A. The sea. B. Estuary. C. Mountain stream. Timer starts right now.
What's the C? C? A. C. Okay, C. Okay,
We have the answer. We have the answer.
All right, what's your answer?
C.
C. Let's have it.
Said A.
It's actually B. So estuaries are places where fresh water from rivers mix with salt water from the ocean. Because of this changing water type, many different fish species are found breeding in estuaries. Now, how do we help these amazing creatures? Many people and organizations work so hard to protect endangered species. They do this by protecting and healing habitats, by creating laws to protect endangered species, and setting up breeding programs that can help boost their numbers. Remember the mountain gorillas we were talking about? Over 40 years ago, there were only 350 left in the wild. But with the help of conservationists, we now have over 1,000 in the wild. This goes to show how conservation efforts with the government can make a big difference.
Get it.
What do you have?
Bats.
Bats. 100 points on bats. Let's have it.
still fine.
Bats are classed as mammals, the same as humans. True or false?
True.
Let's have it. That's correct. Here you go.
Stop.
What do you have? Water. There's 100, 200, and 300 points to choose from.
300.
300. Let's have it. 300 points on water. What is a lotic water system? A. A flowing water system. B. Osmosis. C. Tides. Timer starts now. Everything okay?
We got the answer.
All right. What's the answer?
B.
B. Let's have it. It's actually A. So, lotic water bodies are flowing freshwater systems, such as rivers and streams, where the water moves continuously in one direction. What do you have?
Water.
There's 100 and 200 points to choose from.
100.
100, let's have it. When water moves down into soil and rocks underground, this is called recharge. True or false?
Underground. This is called false. False.
We are false.
Yeah, false. Let's have it. It's actually true. So groundwater recharge is important to keep underground water stores full. These stores support ecosystems and their water mostly comes from rainfall.
Stop. Give me water.
Endangered species. Let's have a question on 100 points. Endangered species.
What do we have left on?
100.
And the question is, gorillas live in social groups. True or false?
True.
Let's have it. That's correct. Here you go.
Thank you.
What do you have?
Ecosystems.
Ecosystems, 100 points. Let's have it. Transpiration happens when plants lose water through their leaves. True or false? Timer starts now.
We got our answer.
Let's have it.
True.
True. That's right. Good job. So guys, we've come to the end of our trivia, and I want you guys to give yourself a big round of applause. The team that is proceeding to the semifinals is International School of Kigali. Good job, you guys. And the first runner-up is Destiny International School. Then we have Peha International School. You all did a great job. We're so proud of you. And we hope to see you again next time. Positive change is possible. Conservation success stories, such as Rwanda's mountain gorillas, shows that when we take action, no matter how small, we can make a difference in protecting endangered species. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Umusambi Trivia Competition. Let's keep caring, learning, and taking action to protect our endangered friends. Until next time, remember,
You can help wildlife too!